Hello guys, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Are you ready for your third program? So make sure you warm up before you start the workout. I'm going to put the link right here below this video. So for today's workout, you're going to need weights. It can be light, it can be medium, it can be heavy as well. It's just I'm not at the gym, but if not, probably I would have 30, 35 pounds right here and I would do the exercise. And then I'd like if you can use a ball. If you don't have a ball, that's okay. Nothing at all, or use a cushion. Okay, let's get started with the wall squat. Use your weight, and I want you to go right here. So you're going to bring your lower back against the mat. So make sure your shoes are not slippery. Open your knees above your ankles. And I want you to bring your abs into your spine, to bring your lower back against the, not the mat, but the wall. And same with your head and your shoulders as well. I'm going to twist. So imagine your hands are right here. And you're just going to twist the body. And we're going to come back without rounding the shoulders and twist the other way. And again, inhale, exhale to twist. So I'm keeping my abs right into my spine. If I would have my heavy one, I would take it like that in my hands and I would just go like that. So without moving the knees and without moving my hips, so I'm just rotating right here in my trunk. Okay, inhale, exhale, slowly twist. That's it. So if you want to even more stability at your pelvis, bring your pelvic floor up. So a woman, you need to stop peeing. For a guy, it's when they walk in a cold lake. So just try to engage your lower, well, abs, but also your pelvic floor. There we go. And then you're going to be more stable. Good. And release. You can put your weights down, push yourself. We're going to do cardio. I want we do baby skater. So they're going to be very quick, like that. Quick, quick. You don't like impact? Just keep it low impact. Let's go. Quick. Come on. Even quicker than that. Swing your arms right here in front of your body. There we go. Looking good. Keep moving. Inhale. Exhale. Come on. Cool. Can you go even quicker? Quick. Quick. That's it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Beautiful. And release. My heart rate is up. Perfect. Let's go back to the wall. Grab your weights. Abs are tight. And let's go. So right here. Try to sit as low as you can. Respect your knee joints. Okay. Again, bring your abs into your spine. Look straight ahead. Bring your arms in front. You choose to keep both weights or just a heavy weight. And again, just twist. And twist. Keep breathing. That's it. Try to engage as well the pelvic floor. You'll be more stable. Just by doing this exercise, it's going to bring your heart rate down a little before we get going with the small skater. Good. That's it. Okay, let's put the weights down and let's go back to the quick one. Ready? Go. Come on. Swing your arms. That's it. Keep going. Breathe. We're going to go for the very quick one. Are you ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Beautiful. And release. Okay. Right on your mat. So you can use a ball or you can use a cushion. I'm going to bring that ball or the cushion right here behind the knee. If you cannot hold it, that's okay. Just do it without. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to engage my shoulders and my core out into my spine. And I'm going to slowly lift the leg. I'm going to bring it down. Slowly up again. If it's too hard for your wrist, you can use weights like that. Okay, big weights. Or you can also go right here on your forearms. Just make sure you're not lifting your shoulders. If I hide too much, I'm going to arch my back. Okay, that's why I'm not going too high. The goal is to work the glutes, work your hamstrings, and bring the heel up towards the sky. That's it. Can we do little pulses? Little, little. That's it. 4, 3, 2, nice. And release. Let's switch your legs. Same thing. So squeeze that baby right behind your knee. Engage your shoulders, eyes into your spine. Let's go. Inhale. Exhale slowly to lift. Inhale to lower. Exhale to lift. Try not moving anything else. So I teach Pilates as well. So from your pelvis all the way to the tip of your head, try to be as stable as possible. Relax your shoulders. Usually they are here or people are rounding their backs, even their head. So you're looking just slightly in front of your hands. Feel that you're nice and tall. Okay, are you ready for pulses? Again, little, little. Try to be as stable as possible. 4, 3, 2, that's it. And release. Do you feel it in your hamstrings? Your glutes? Let's go back up. Cardio again. What I want we do, and I know the camera is going to move. I'm sorry about that. We're going to do 3, 2, 1, jump to switch. 3, 2, 1, up to switch. So higher you're jumping, harder it is. Face yourself. Good. 1, 2, 3, up. That's it. So make sure you're keeping your knees opened, with shoulder width apart or hip bones apart. That's it. I just need to remind myself as well, press the big toes right into the earth. That's what's going to shape up. I mean, you're going to open your knees just by lifting your arch. That's it. Okay, let's do one more. Good. I feel the burn. But I did my workout as well today. Today it was legs day. Let's go back. Second set. Behind your knee. Doesn't matter which one. We're going to switch anyway. So open the fingers. Engage your shoulders, your core. Are you ready? Inhale to prepare. Exhale slowly to lift. Inhale to lower. Exhale to lift. That's it. Again, don't lift too high your heel towards the sky. If not, you're going to arch your back. And I want we target more your glutes, hamstrings. Nice. So this workout will be 15, 20 minutes long. I do the exercise twice. If you want to do the exercise 3 times, go for it. Now let's see here. Little pulses. Little, little. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. 4, 3, 2, and let's switch. So do you feel this as well in the opposite hip? It's very normal. You're putting your entire weight on one hip, so that's why you're going to feel it. Engage your shoulders, abs into your spine, and let's slowly again lift up. Inhale to lower, exhale to lift. So I much prefer quality than quantity. That's why I'm going very slow, very controlled, because it's easy to go like that. See, I much prefer engaging my abs. This is your transverse. The most important muscles we need to work on, it's right there. Good. Almost there. Are you ready for pulses? Let's go. Little, little. Try not moving anything else than your hip. 4, 3, 2, voila. And I feel the burn. Perfect. And slowly release. Okay, we're going to go back to our squat. I'm warm now. We're going to go for 3, 2, 1, and jump. That's it. Good. Try to go as deep as you can again. Just listen to your joints. Beautiful. Good. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Each side. There we go. Nice. Release. Okay, we're going to do again your outer thigh. And then I'm going to do a core. We're going to repeat twice and we're done. I'm going to go right on my side and I'm going to give you two options. So I like the clam to work your hip. Okay, so I'm going to engage again my abs into my spine and I'm just going to open a little bit my knee. If you open too much, you're just going to go back. Okay, so option one is right here. Option two, no support in front of your chest. Option three, you're lifting your heels or your feet off the floor and then you open. Inhale, exhale. That's it. And feel the work in your hip. We're going against gravity. That's why I don't need anything else. And I feel it, seriously. 5, 4, 3, and 2. Beautiful. Let's stay up, 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 up. Good. 4. Whoops, I'm moving. 4, 3, 2. That's it. And release. Let's switch sides. Same thing. Are you ready? Engage your abs, shoulders down and back. Choose the same option. So I was doing this one. Exhale up, inhale down. Good. And again, if you open too much, you're going to rotate your hips. So we need to avoid that. Just keep your abs into your spine. You can bring your pelvic floor up as well, right here. Good. We're going to go for 5 more. 4. In 3, 2. Good. And 1 more. Beautiful. I'm just going to switch sides to get ready to go back to it. I'm going to do a core exercise. I'm going to give you again 2 options. So I have a space here underneath my lower back. That's my neutral. I'm going to bring my abs into my spine, and then my lower back is right against the mat. Arms are right here by your side. Shoulders in contact with the mat as well. And we're going to bring the legs right here together, and I want you to drop slowly one heel at a time. So that's your option 1. Make sure you're not lifting your lower back against the mat. Option 2, I'm not going to touch the floor, and I'm just going to slowly switch my legs. Inhale up, exhale. If you want to do option 3, you can be on your forearms. I find this one harder for my back. So higher your legs are, okay, easier. If you lower your legs, keeping the abs in, now you can feel it. Okay, I'll do it here. So choose your option. Abs are tight. Breathe. That's it. Shoulders away from your ears. I don't want you to have no neck. 5, 4, 3, nice. 2, and release. Good job. Okay, we have 2 more. Let's go back. Clam. Ready? Engage your shoulders. As it to your spine. Let's slowly open your knee. Inhale, exhale to open. That's it. If you don't need this hand right here, just leave it on your thigh. You can even reach up. You decide where you want to be. Easier for your head? Keep it down. Good. 6, 5, 4, nice. 3, 2, last one. Good. And release. Let's switch. So knees together, abs, shoulders away. Inhale, exhale to open. There we go. Inhale, exhale to open. Good. In 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Good. And slowly release. Good job. Let's go right on your back. So you're going to choose again your option. For your abs, you can do that. You can do that. Or you can do the scissor. That's why, see, I'm not sitting on my back. I find it too hard because I have a gymnast back. That's why I come here to do it. Okay? This time I'll stay here. Shoulders down, and let's go. Abs are always tight. Keep your lower back against the mat. So you're looking straight up at the sky, guys. If your eyes are looking at the wall behind you, you probably need your cushion underneath your head. So keep the shoulders or the back of your shoulders in contact with the mat. Are you breathing? 4, 3, 2. That's it. And slowly release. Bring your knees into your chest. Good job. Voila, we're done. So I'm going to put the stretch video as well right below this one. So I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions or any suggestion as well, what you would like to see next. See you soon.